back with another recipe from our kitchen to yours. Today we have a very special recipe using one of our dessert dips, Cinnabun Crazy. This is going to be a wonderful dessert to serve after a meal or even just as a nice little snack. So we are going to be making Cinnabun Crazy croissants. What you're going to need is, of course, some croissants. We're using an 8-pack. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you're also going to need a package of Cinnabun Crazy, but we're actually going to use half of it. All right, you're also going to want something to bake in the oven. We're using our baking stone, which you can actually find the link down below. And now we are ready to put it all together. Don't forget to make sure that your oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so it preheats while you're making this. First, we're going to start out with that cream cheese. Go ahead and put it in your bowl. Next, we're going to add about half a package of Cinnabun Crazy. Now for me, that's going to be about that much, but you'll notice it'll come down to here. So let's just figure it out. Looks like I need a little more. That's probably about perfect there. All right. Go ahead and mix the ingredients so that they're well combined. Once you've combined the mixture, you're ready to roll out your croissants. Now that you've gotten your croissants ready, you're going to go ahead and unroll them. All right, now that you've got your croissants out, you can go ahead and set one up. All you're going to do is use this cream cheese mixture to spread right on that triangle. It'll be similar to like you're spreading butter on bread. You can choose to put your mixture on here thin or thick. And if you put it on there thick, it'll slightly melt out on the sides, which will look really yummy. Now that you have your mixture down on your croissant, you're gonna roll it up. All right, we've got one croissant. Now let's get started with another. All right, let's roll it up. Okay, you're gonna wanna continue doing this with the other 6 triangles and spread them out across the plate. Now that you've got your croissants all rolled up, you are ready to put them in the oven. Don't forget we've used Cinnabun Crazy. You can get it on our website at www.allnaturaldips.com. And if you have any extra of that mixture left over, this is great to spread on your bagels in the morning. All right, let's go ahead and put this in the oven. Remember, it has been preheated to 350 degrees, and we're gonna put it in there for about 12 to 17 minutes. But what you're looking to do is brown the tops like you would a normal croissant. Our Cinnabun Crazy croissants are fresh out of the oven. As you can see, we've slightly browned them on the top and they are well cooked throughout. And you can see our Cinnabun Crazy and cream cheese mixture just peeking right on out. You can get Cinnabun Crazy and all of our dessert mixes online at www.allnaturaldips.com. You can also hashtag AllNaturalDips on social media, especially if you create one of our dishes like this. They're all ready to go for your family, but you can always add some extra butter. And don't forget, these would be wonderful for breakfast. So that's it for today's recipe. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.